I was going to give you a Oster video today, but the aeroplane wouldn't start. So here on the beautiful de Havilland Chipmunk, we're about to go do some aerobatics. So my brakes are set, my throttle is set. I've already primed the aircraft. The rear magnetos are on. Starter isolator switch on. Battery master switch on. Stick back. Clear all round. Mags on. Clear prop. I set the throttle to 1000 RPM for the warm-up. The magneto dead cut check. 1 off, 2 off. Engine keeps running, temperatures and pressures are good. Don't close the canopy because it's cold. A bit of warm-up time, taxi out, and I'll rejoin you at the end of the runway. So power checks are done, lining up and rolling takeoff on runway 36 at Finland. Smoothly applying full power as we come around the corner. Balancing the left crosswind, bit of left rudder, ailerons into wind, tail comes up nice and quickly. See the airspeed to live, temperatures and pressures are good. We already have flying speed. Through 60 knots. Way. So I did try talking to you through this bit, but the aeroplane's a bit noisy for the microphone. So before we start aerobatics, we can do our Hazel checks. So height, 3,000 feet, sufficient to recover. Going down to 1,000 feet today. Brakes are off for the airframe check and the flaps are up. S for security, strapped in, nothing loose. Engine, temperatures, pressures, carburetor heat. Location and lookout, so clear of controlled airspace, clouds, built up areas. And then lookouts, we'll start a right turn and looking for any traffic flying around. I am squawking the aerobatic code, so hopefully anybody with a transponder, radar controllers nearby can see that we're doing aerobatics in the area. Our line features by the right wingtip there, it's an old disused railway. That's what we'll be using for our line for rolling in and out of manoeuvres. A fairly strong northwesterly wind blowing here. Blowing us down the line, so as we run up the line to our left as we look at it now, into wind, and right is downwind. A bit later on we do a crosswind practice as well, just to practice the manoeuvres, holding them into position. More for the display acts, where we're doing air displays with fairly strong crosswinds. We need to offset those crosswinds to remain in the display area. So the Hazel check's complete. It'll be a left turn, a tip into the left. And we'll start with 3 loops, followed by the half Cuban, monitoring our airspeed and altitude as we go, and then stringing the sequence together from there. Here we go. So increasing power, rolling in our line, that's the tree line to the left. Always looking out, making sure there's no traffic in the area we've missed during our lookout. Engine RPM maximum 2650 for 30 seconds, 2550 ideally. Speed goes through 120, we have manoeuvre speed already. Start this one at 140, bit of energy in the upward part of the loop. Smoothly applying full throttle, so we don't overspeed the propeller, over the top, looking for our line, balancing as we fly. Glance of the airspeed has come down through the other side, already got 120, so we now go straight into the next loop. And again, jockeying that throttle forward and backwards to maintain the maximum RPM. Back through onto the line. Airspeed checked again, altitude checked. Constantly looking around into the loop, into the airspace we're going to fly. Checking the top of that loop, checking our altitude gates. Everything working perfectly today. 140 knots, pulling up, and into a half Cuban, and roll off the top of the loop.
Over the top.
Pause and roll. A slight stutter from the engine, just as I checked forward, ever so slightly too much. This aeroplane doesn't like any 0G. Some chipmunks allow you a bit of 0G. This one protests a little bit. So I'll keep it positive all the way. As we fly into a loop, followed by a quarter clover. So quarter clover in the Chipmunk, I fly the roll on the down line, just we don't have the energy to go uphill and roll and finish the figure. So into the down line, 90 degrees left or right. That's our line we're about to cross over into a loop. Again, checking altitude and speed before every manoeuvre on this. The hard deck today I'm using 1,000 feet. Through the loop. The wind is starting to pick us up now, we're drifting over to the right. So offsetting that line to my left slightly to compensate as we pull up into a half Cuban. So change directions. That time not coughing the engine, nicely going 90 degrees to our line as we get ready for a quarter clover to get back along the line, turning 90 degrees in the roll out of the loop.
Altitude is good.
Down and roll right, that's our line. You can see how much we've been pushed by the winds during these manoeuvres. Checking altitude, checking airspeed, aim for a big barrel roll. Our barrel rolls in the Chipmunk are a fantastic figure, they add altitude to your display. Falls back 100 feet or so for each one when they're flown nicely. So we picked up here for an aileron roll to the left, so up, check and roll. Check our line, nice down the line still. So unfortunately the camera stopped at the end of that sequence, as I've always done anyway, as we're about to tip in for our second go. So this is our crosswind display, running down the road on our right hand side there, tipping in and seeing a very similar type of sequence about to take shape. So there's our line, got our airspeed, got our altitude, straight up into a loop. Really see the crosswinds taking shape on this one. It's pushing us off that road, which is now to the left of the nose. And I'm having to angle left in each loop, each manoeuvre to try and hold that line. It's pretty struggle. There's about 40 knots today across. Moving into the next loop, you see I'm just trying to pull us back across the line to the left, back over to that roadway to the left. We've drifted about a field across now. We are going to get drifted further on this one, but it's more about getting the sequence in. Displaying a 40 knot crosswind isn't normal. Holding a nice track on this one, we managed to offset the drift a bit, so we stopped drifting. Still half Cuban, back towards our line. See my breath there, it's a cold day. Following the loop into a quarter clover. From the quarter clover, should be heading into a half Cuban. Airspeed 120. Pitching up, got a headwind to help us on this one. Nose comes down, begin the roll. Back of this, a quarter clover to get back along our line. Being pushed very quickly in this manoeuvre away from our line as we currently have a tailwind.
Back to my line. Barrel roll.
Big barrel roll. Barrel rolling into the wind here to try and gain some track back towards our line. Bit of altitude as we do so as well.
Aileron roll.
As we're going through the aileron roll.
Roll.
20 knots, 1,500 feet as we pull up. As we barrel roll to the left. Now in the display sequence I'd be a lot more aggressive with the controls here, so we're not losing so much height. Being up at 3,000 feet does allow me to just ease off a bit, be a bit more kind to the aeroplane, a bit more kind to the engine. So the camera cutting a wing over there, we are back into the manoeuvres, same display sequence. Let's come through for another loop. Altitude is now 1,400 feet, 120 knots, we go up for another vertical manoeuvre. Nicely back on our line now.
Wing over.
So after two loops, 1,300 feet. Big wing over, again in a Chipmunk or a low powered aeroplane. This builds in nicely some height, a bit more energy for some more manoeuvres.
Hesitation roll.
1,300 feet, about 1,200 on the pool here, or 1,100.
Check. Roll.
Hesitation roll, check.
Roll.
Upside down, check. The airplane continues rolling here, you don't have much roll authority.
Check.
You check it on the 90 knife edges.
Loose.
And once again with the hesitation roll, important not to push in the Chipmunk, as the engine will cough and splutter and stop, and you lose energy.
Check.
Into an aileron roll. And then pitch up and climb away, 1,100 feet. Hull deck not busted, back towards the airfield. Now one of the joys about the Chipmunk here, I'll try and let the sound go here, it's the responsiveness of the control.
Finger and thumb on the stick, small roll to the left, and you roll beautifully. And to the right, and to the left, and to the right. Look at my controls, small moves on the stick, forward, nose down, stick back, nose up. Very crisp, precise control to the Chipmunk. Beautiful aeroplane to fly.
So here we are, cut to the crosswind join, nice tight circuit into Finland, beautiful sunset. As we're coming around the corner onto a tight downwind, I'm doing my downwind check, so the brakes are off, mixture's rich, fuel is on, flaps going to one stage, carburetor heat's hot, canopy, hatches and harnesses are all locked. For those of you who don't fly, Finland airfield is pretty hard to see, this time of year especially, so my left wingtip there. We're going to turn a nice tight base to final curved approach with the wind from our right at the moment, so left crosswind on landing, so it's pushing me in towards the runway. 60 knots is our approach speed, tightly round the corner so we don't fly over the shooting range, which is just out below us to the right. And we now have full flap selected, the lever on the right there being our flap lever. So I was pushed out very slightly by other traffic, which is not quite visible in the video, but they're vacating the runway. I'd like to come in nice, tight, curved approaches and roll the wings level, pretty much over that hedge ahead of us, a couple of metres further back. So crabbing to offset the wind, tracking down the runway centre line, and looking for a nice, soft 3-point landing. The wind was 320.18, I think he gave me, with a gust of 25. Runway is runway 36, so it's 40 degrees off to my left. Over the threshold, 60 knots, power coming back towards idle. Just drift us in, waiting for that 3-point altitude, and you just see the shadow creeping on the right hand side there. And we're down. And the bumpy Finland runway picks up the story. And there we end a fantastic evening's aerobatic practice flight at Finland. So flaps can go up now. Transponder comes off. I'm going to taxi this off to the right hand side, past the clubhouse, park up by the fuel pumps. Hope you've enjoyed watching this aerobatic practice point of view. If you have, please let me know in the comments below. It lets you know what you guys want to watch. If you have enjoyed it, I expect to be around the airshow scene in the Chipmunks in 2026. Look out for a vintage pair as we do our formation aerobatic display team with a pair of Chipmunks.
Welcome back to Finland, everybody.
If you want to ride in the Chipmunk and come and experience this for yourself, we offer pleasure flights, experience flights in this very Chipmunk, Whiskey Delta 292.co.uk or Finland Flying School. Thanks very much for watching. Again very soon. closed, bags off, battery off. That is how you chipmunk. Thanks for watching.